windy kinda. I thought we were gonna get some glass. Obviously that is not the case. The wind just started ripping. So yeah, I've been posting a couple videos, huh? Was sleeping for a couple months, but now I'm back. We absolutely got destroyed trying to get into Berryessa the other day with that stupid mussel BS. But we caught him, or I should say we salvaged the day. We had a great frog day yesterday. So today I'm switching it up. It's completely crazy conditions. It's been 80+ degrees for the last week, and now it's windy, raining, and cold. Oh shit. So yeah, let's see if we can put a little bag together. Lake Sonoma, here we come. I'm thinking I'm gonna throw a little topwater around, so let's get spooky with it for about the next, I don't know, 30 minutes. Just do this little inside cut, fish all that, see if we can get a topwater blow up, baby. Put you guys on chest, let's get it. Something about that knock. That's my daily juice of the day. I don't know what it is, but fish in this lake, they don't hit like all topwater spooks. They only hit the ones that are like the deeper knock. Tonk, 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 tonk. Not like that. Chick, 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 chick. I don't know how to explain it. It makes sense to some people, and it doesn't make sense to others. Gots to switch it up. They just are not eating that right now, I don't think. I could be completely wrong, but I don't know. I would have expected to get a bite by now. Bring out the spinner. That was cool. I knew you had to do something like that. You had to do the spinner bait the proper way. Yep. First one. That guy's skinny. This is the bite I expected. Oh my god. See if we can pull out another. Well, should be a pretty fun day considering they're eating the spinner. Jesus Christ. Can you guys get a little bigger, please? That is not going to help nobody. We ain't gonna be winning no tournaments with you, dude. Jeez Louise. Should keep filtering through all these little small guys. See if we can put together or trick a couple decent ones. this is gonna be a long day if it's just gonna be a bunch of little fuckers. Okay. All right. All right. Ran back up in the creek where I caught that freaking 4-pounder. See if we can do it again. I'm actually gonna set up the back camera now. I just don't like setting up the back camera when it's raining. Oh, I just had one slam it. Oh, let's go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, finally. Topwater, baby. Little topwater fish. Ah, shoot the back. Yeah, dude. First spook fish of the year. Guess we will throw this around a little bit. Come on. There we go. All right. First spook fish of the year, baby. See ya. All right, let's go to the next spot, boy. It's raining really hard, so we are hiding. I don't really know what to do right now, so this is what we do. Oh, I got dirt on the boat. Did not want dirt on the boat. I'm gonna hide this under here so nothing gets super wet, because it is coming down. Yeah, let's just take cover until it starts letting up just a tiny bit at least. Then we'll get back out there. See you guys then. While you guys were gone, we caught a good one. Caught like 3 smallmouth in between. It's too rainy. I can't have you guys out, but watch this. We're gonna get a fish right here. The smallmouth's been missing. I can't film because it's too wet. But we're catching smallies. Smallies. And also, look at this freaking goddamn bacon. While you guys were gone. Oh, yeah. Toad. Oh. Let's get one more and then we'll get him back. Oh yeah, we're catching freaking giants when the camera's turned off. Gosh darn it. Oh shit, I kind of forgot about you. Get this guy off. Yeah, I don't really know what to do right now. It's too rainy to let you guys see everything, but it's kind of on fire. So I'm gonna get back to fishing. See you guys in a bit. Big one of the day, baby. All right, probably a 3-4 pounder if I had to guess. Oh, biggin. All right, get her back to where she's from. Chomp. Ow. Ow. Ho ho ho. See ya, Klein. Oh, it's raining bad. Really bad. Look at me, dude. Oh, I don't really know what to do. I'm just gonna keep spooking for like another hour, but I'm probably gonna call it. I just can't film this. The GoPro's gonna die. As I say that, it almost shuts off. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to it. The thumb's bleeding. It's a solid sign. We're freaking catching them. Oh! Back in the car. It was freaking way too rainy out there. It was dumping on me. But yeah, a little recap. Probably caught like 4 smallmouth since I put you guys away. Got that big largie. I wish I got that on video because it was such a sick eat. But yeah, they were smashing the topwater. I think they were just a little camera shy today. Because I swear, as soon as I put the camera away, bam, bam, bam. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. We shall see you guys next time. See ya.